Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Evelyn. I've noticed that most of the times the beginners or the learners are ignored on the channels or in the videos. So I've created some basic English quizzes for the beginners or the level 1 learners of English. And in this particular quiz, we are going to test the be form of the verbs. The simple forms is am, are, the possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, some subject pronouns, and the plural counts and numbers. So, welcome to the quiz. To take the quiz, all you have to do is select the correct option. Please feel free to pause the video if you need more time. You will get 10 seconds to guess the right answer. And do not forget to share your scores in the comment section. First sentence. Hello, what dash your name? A is, B are, C am, D be. And the correct answer is, hello, what is your name? Dash name is Ravi and my dash is Singh. The options for both blanks are A, your and surname, B, my and surname, C, I and surname, D, I and name. And the correct answer is, my name is Ravi and my surname is Singh. Third sentence. Where dash Ravi from? Dash from dash US. There are three options. A is, he's, the. B is, his, no word. C, am, he's, an. And D is, she's, no word. And the correct answer is, where is Ravi from? He's from the US. 4. What dash their dash? Aman and Ansh. The options are A, are name, B is name, C is names, D are names. And the correct answer is, what are their names? Aman and Ansh. Sentence 5. I dash student. There are two blanks. Options are A is an, am, no word, C am, a, D am, the. And the correct answer is, I am a student. Number 6. I live dash a house dash New Delhi. Option A, no word slash in. Option B, in and in. Option C, in slash no word. Option D, at slash in. And the correct answer is I live in a house in New Delhi. The seventh sentence is dash are you? I am Sonal. The options are A. Which, B. How, C. What, D. Who. And the correct answer is who are you? I'm Sonal. Number 8. Harvard is dash American University. The options are A. B. An, C. The, and D. No word. And the correct answer is Harvard is an American university. Number 9. English is dash international language. A. B. An, C. The, and D. No word. And the correct answer is English is an international language. Number 10. Hello, my dash dash Divya, I dash dash Meerut. And the options are A. Name is and from am. Option B. Is name slash from am. C. Name is slash am from. And D. Name am slash is from. And the correct answer is hello, my name is Divya. I am from Meerut. Do let me know your scores. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.